Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's PTG on the mic. Today we're going to be learning the song Tafadzwa by Alec Macheso. This rhythm solo was played by Mr. Mumiriki. So let's go in the video. Okay, so today we're gonna be learning the famous rhythm played by Mumiriki on the song Tafadzwa. We're gonna be starting on the solo part. So this rhythm I found it in the key of E major. Okay, so when I was looking on these solo parts, they change a lot. So I realized I might spend a lot of time making the tabs, and so I was like, okay, on this video, I encourage all the beginners out there. This video is gonna be mainly on us using our ears and using the eyes to see where the chords are being played. But as time goes on, maybe I might make a tab piece by piece, but I'll make sure that I will explain so that it can be clear. So this is how I play this rhythm in the key of E major. So firstly, when you start, you first have to pull and land on fret number 12 on the two dots. So this will be the first note of the rhythm, or where Mumiriki starts, or I would rather say Mr. Mumiriki, because these are the respected legends, of Sungura. They came a long way, playing different bands. So we have to look up to people like that. So okay, in this video, I think it also help, as a beginner, you have to find different ways to to get how other people play. It can be through tabs, through how you see it, through memory. When you get the sound ringing in your ears, okay, I'm gonna play this sound and this sound. So okay, this is what we're gonna try to do in this video, because you will see why the reason I said tabs were not gonna be helpful. They're gonna bring confusion in the learning of this Tafadzwa rhythm. So first, let's concentrate on the first chord. So first we'll pull, land on fret number 12. To those who watch some previous videos I made, this first key we are playing, it's a minor scale that we're on here now. Remember, we're talking of pentatonic scales, and there's also something we just call a scale. So this will be the scale. They are the minor pentatonic scale. So we're starting here. Then we go to the next chord. If you realize how we're playing the pattern of it, when you are pulling, we play string number 1, and then you land on the fret number 12, still on string number 1, then you go string number 2 in a C shape chord. Okay, so now let's join these two chords that we have so far. so now let me just play it a little bit faster. Okay, so now let's go to the third chord. So after we go for the first one is second one, third one, so for now this will be the structure of this rhythm. So firstly, let's just work on the the structure of it, and then we're gonna be start adding the movements, the style that he was doing. So the first chord, second chord, third chord, and then now the approach on the second bar of the rhythm. So on the second bar it will be okay. So on the third bar going up until the seventh bar, you'll be playing this type of you introduce this type of style in the solo part. Okay, so now let me just play it slower now. Okay, so now we have to go to the other style that he also introduced in his solo part, was this chord here. String number 2, string number 1, string number 4. So it will be like, okay, so now let me play it slow. So let's start on string number 2 on this fret here. So the chord will be like, play it slow now. Okay, so now let's try to join all the parts. So first, let's start with the basic one. It will be okay. Let's start now. Let's go to the second style we introduced. Then now the third style. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. So now let's just try to play it. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you think you maybe I missed something out on this solo part or played by Mr. Mumiriki, please just highlight me in the comment section. I can do another one. But thank you for watching. See you in the next video.